You seem down this morning. Everything okay?
Yeah, just tired.
I'm here if you want to talk.
What's the matter, scaredy cat? You look like you're gonna cry! Pathetic! He can't even move! Look at the crybaby! What's wrong, gonna cry more? Pathetic.
Son, what happened?
I'm fine, Dad.
No, you're not. Tell me.
It's nothing.
Dad, I'm really scared.
I know, son. But you have to face this.
But what if I can't?
You can. I'll be with you.
Come on, son. You got this. It's so hard!
Push through it. Almost there. That's it. Pull up. You've got this.
It's tough.
Keep going. Don't give up. Okay, one more.
Not so tough now, are ya?
I'm not scared of you. You will be.
Yeah! You showed them! What a victory! He's the best!